How to redeem Roblox gift card on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox and log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and you'll find gift cards option. Simply click on gift cards and it will lead you to this kind of page. In here at the top right, you'll find redeem. Simply click on redeem card. Then again, it will lead you to different page. In here, you will be able to add your code from gift card. As you can see, it is showing code. You can add the code and then press on redeem and then you're good to go. This is how to redeem Roblox gift card on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.